So get the, says it's marine grease. I think marine grease is nylon, always red anyway. This is a specialised grease gun. That was dry as anything, this. Had nothing in there. Jeez, I don't know how much grease to put in there. Do you just lump it in there, or? Well, considering it didn't have any fucking grease in there before, yeah, kind of, and it could be better than nothing. So, new spacer. Oh, fuck, which way? That way. Fucking grease out anyway. Dickhead. Fuck's sake. I don't fucking know. Alright. Better not put the old one back on. Now that would be funny. If I put the old one back on, that slides in there. Give that a... Right. What else? Spacer. And that's it, really. And the new lock nut washer spacer thing that goes there. See that? And then nut goes on. Push the tabs up. The other one, the tab just was that brittle, it just snapped off. Okay. Oh, it's got a nylon bush in there. Where's the old one? Oh yeah. It's a little bit different. Oh fuck, I hope I got the right spanner now. Fuck's sake. It's the wrong fucking... Hang on, is it wrong or is it... I have to put the old nut back on. This doesn't seem to be the right thread. Oh, hang on. Fuck you. Push that back down. Now, this still has a tag on it. Should I take it back to Super Cheap when I finish? This prop's going to have way more grip. The question will be, will it be enough? If I think it's actually going to be perfect. Won't know it, I'll go wide open throttle and see if it's see if it feels like if it's rev matching. Otherwise, I need to go to, this is a 13-inch pitch. Otherwise, I need to go to maybe 14 or 15. But that prop that was on it, I don't feel like it was too far off the mark. I don't think it was the right prop, but I think this one's going to put it closer to what it should be. And maybe won't use as much fuel either. Okay. I think I don't have to go, you don't have to go that tight on these. When I took the old one off, it almost bloody finger tight. If I go one more, because it'll line the tabs up. Fucked if I know. Just nip it up so that it's nipped. Yeah. If I can get that. Shit. I'll just take it. Can you over tighten these? Tabs lined up. Look, look. Shit, I don't know if you can over tighten them or not. I'll bend the tabs up and then in theory that's it. Yeah.